I wanna grow my own skin without needing yours away, meeting somewhere in between. Maybe we can find a way. I feel there's a thin line, owning limits that are mine, pushing you aside, letting you inside. Why it's so hard? Beyond this insecurities, I find the key for melody. How can we find a home? In the middle of these roads, I like you, I like them, I want it all, but need to take care how to break the walls. How can we find a home? In the middle of these roads, I like you, I like them, I want it all, but need to take care how to break the walls. I know it's awkward, but need to talk. Don't wanna pretend anymore. No, we don't know what's going on. Let's be honest, we both want more openness, more growth, more freedom, more love, more care for each other, more truth and laughs and words. In all these possibilities, I find the chance for harmony. How can we find a home? A home in the middle of these roads. I like you, I like them, I want it all, but need to take care. How can we find a home? In the middle of these roads, you like me, you like them, you want it all, but need to take care how to break the wall. After all, I've been wondering, babe, what are the walls in